So in today's video, I'll be uncovering the wonderful benefits of vitamin B12 in our body and what really happens to your body when you are low on vitamin B12. This video is strictly for educational purposes. If you want to take any supplements or any vitamins, don't take them unprescribed. Make sure to speak to your healthcare provider before taking any supplements. My name is Uchechi Chizendo, a clinical physiologist. If it concerns your body, it concerns your health, we gist about it. So do it to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that anytime I post a new video, you will see it. Now let's get into business. Now I'm holding vitamin B12 in my hand. I know some of you may have this medication at home. You can look at it properly. I don't know if it's clear enough. This is vitamin B12. And you might be hearing of vitamin B12, vitamin B12. I don't actually know what it works in our body, the function of vitamin B12 in our body. Vitamin B12, also known as cobalamin, is one of those nutrients that our body cannot afford to lack. Listen, vitamin B12 is very, very important for your blood. Your body uses these vitamins to make red blood cells. Red blood cells are cells that carries oxygen all around your body. Now imagine this. If you're low on vitamin B12, your body starts producing abnormal red blood cells. And these abnormal red blood cells can't carry oxygen properly. And when this happens, you start feeling extreme tiredness. This type of tiredness, resting does not solve it. Even if you sleep for hours, you rested for hours, even without doing any hard work, you just feel tired, weakness, dizziness, or even shortness of breath. You notice that anytime you walk just a little while, you are out of breath. And this condition is called vitamin B12 deficiency anemia, and is one of the most common effects of low vitamin B12. When you're low on vitamin B12, when your body is low on vitamin B12, the easiest sign and the most common sign is extreme tiredness. This is because vitamin B12 is essential for producing healthy red blood cells in the bone marrow. These cells carries oxygen all around your body, your tissues, your cells, your organs, your system. Without enough vitamin B12, your red blood cells start becoming abnormal. This abnormal red blood cell cannot carry oxygen properly, and this is the reason why you feel that tiredness, weakness, fatigue, because your cells are not receiving enough oxygen. Now let's talk about your nerve, because this is where it really gets serious. Vitamin B12 helps to protect your nerve by maintaining something we call the myelin sheath. Now think of the myelin sheath like a protective covering around your nerves. This helps messages, information to move smoothly from your brain to the rest of your body. Without enough vitamin B12, that protection starts breaking down. That passage of message from the brain to the rest of your body start breaking down. That is why some people start feeling tingling sensation in their body, or numbness, sometimes burning sensation in their hands or feet. So vitamin B12 is very, very important because it helps to form and protect the myelin sheath, a fatty layer that covers the nerve. This myelin sheath allows fast and smooth transmission of nerve signals. Now imagine if you're low on vitamin B12. This can actually cause nerve damage. That's why you feel that tingling sensation in your hand, in your body, that numbness. So these signs and symptoms is a way of your body telling you that we need vitamin B12. Another important role of vitamin B12 is in making your DNA. Yes, you heard me, your DNA. I told you that this vitamin B12, is not something that you can afford to lack. Every single cells in your body needs vitamin B12 to grow and divide properly. So when B12 is low, your body literally struggles to produce healthy new cells. That is why it affects fast-growing cells like your blood and even your digestive system. Every cell in your body needs vitamin B12 to make DNA, the genetic materials that control how your cells grows, how your cell functions. Without B12, cells production becomes faulty and inefficient. Over to the brain. Now let's talk about the function of vitamin B12 to your brain. These amazing vitamins. B12 helps in producing chemicals that controls your mood and your mental function. So when levels are low, you might notice poor concentration, memory problems, like you find it difficult to retain memory even after reading, studying for hours, mood changes, even depression. If you're a student and you struggle with memory loss after reading for hours, you find it difficult to concentrate or even to retain anything, you might want to check your vitamin B12 level. Like, go to the hospital, tell your doctor, I want to know if I'm low on vitamin B12. So don't always blame it on stress, because when such kind of things start happening, we always tend to, I'm stressed. Maybe stress that is making me to forget or making me not to concentrate properly. Sometimes it might be actually a nutrient deficiency. Another amazing benefit of vitamin B12 is energy production. A lot of people think that this B vitamin gives you energy directly, like just like a stimulant, but that's not exactly it. So this is how B12 works. It helps your body convert the food you eat into usable energy. So if you're low of vitamin B12, even if you eat well, your body can't properly use that food. That is why you end up feeling tired consistently. Now, for your health, I told you that this vitamin is something that you cannot afford to lack. B12 help control a substance in your body called homocysteine. Now, you need to understand that when homocysteine levels are too high, it can increase your chances of having heart disease. So B12 helps to keep your heart safer, helps to keep your heart stronger, healthy, even without you realizing it. And for women, especially during pregnancy, are you actually aware that vitamin B12 is extremely important because it helps in development of your baby's brain and nervous system? So as you can see, vitamin B12 is doing a lot behind the scene, from your blood to your nerves to your brain, even your energy level. And when you're low on vitamin B12, your body will definitely feel it, as in you will feel it. If you have been experiencing constant fatigue, tiredness, even when you do not do anything like hard labor, you wake up, you feel tired after resting for hours, you still feel tired, numbness, tingling sensation, brain fog, and you struggle with concentration. You can't retain anything. Like when you read, you forget. It might be worth checking your vitamin B12 level. Yes, speak to your doctor, tell them, explain all these symptoms to them, let them check if maybe you're low on vitamin B. It might not be actually stress, it might be nutrient deficiency. Now, if you enjoy my video, if this video was helpful, don't just scroll, make sure to subscribe, like, give a thumbs up. Bye.